Hi children, welcome to the 9's in our multiplication times tables. Let's get started. 9 times 1, 9. 9 times 2, 18. 9 times 3, 27. 9 times 4, 36. 9 times 5, 45. 9 times 6, 54. 9 times 7, 63. 9 times 8, 72. 9 times 9, 81. 9 times 10, 90. 9 times 11, 90 and 9. Jesus leaves the 90 and 9 to go find the one lost sheep, because he is the good shepherd. 9 times 12, 108. Genesis 13, 15 through 18. For all the land which thou seest, to thee will I give it, and to thy seed forever. And I will make thy seed as the dust of the earth, so that if a man can number the dust of the earth, then shall thy seed also be numbered. Arise, walk through the land in the length of it, and in the breadth of it, for I will give it unto thee. Then Abram removed his tent, and came and dwelt in the plain of Mamre, which is in Hebron, and built there an altar unto the Lord. That's it for today, children. Y'all did good. See you next time.